Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Let us solve area and perimeter of plane figures class 9 ICSE concise Selena. Exercise 20C part 1. So this has 25 questions. This exercise will be solved in 2 parts children. After going through this video, if you like it, please share with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. We start with the first question, the easy start. The diameter of the circle is 28 centimeter. Find the circumference and area. So we know that circumference of a circle, we will be using the formula pi d when the diameter is given. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. The diameter is given as 28 centimeter. So 7 times 4 is 28 and 28 fours are 88 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. So we did with the first part. The second part, area. Now area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So if the diameter is 28, so radius is equal to 28 divided by 2, which is 14 centimeter is the radius of the circle. So pi value is 22 by 7, radius square. So 14 will be multiplying twice times 14 times 14. 7 2s are 14. So we have 22 times 2 is 44, and 44 times 14 we get this as 616 centimeter square. Got it? Moving to question number 2. The circumference of the circle is given as, circular field is given as 308 meter. Find its radius. Now circumference is given. So what is circumference? So circumference is nothing but, when the radius is given, we use the formula 2 pi r, and which is given as 308 meters. So value of pi, we have 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 308. Shift this all that side, you get r is equal to 308 into 7, and this 2 times 22 is going to come down. So let us simplify this. 2, when I divide 308 by 2, we get 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 154. When you divide 308 by 2, you get 154, and 154, when you divide 154 by 22, 154 you get 7, and r is equal to 7 times 7, which is 49 meters is the radius of this circle. Got it? 49 meters is the radius of the circle. Now you are asked to find the area. Let us do the second part. Now we have area is equal to pi r square. So let us take the value of pi as 22 by 7. So radius is 49. So 49 square. So we'll write 49 times 49. 2 sevens are 7 sevens are 49, and 22 times 7 is 154, and 154 you multiply by 49, you get this 7,000, you get this as 7,546 meter square is the area of this circular field. Got it? Moving to question number 3, the sum of the circumference and the diameter of circle is 116. Sum of the circumference, that means circumference is pi d plus the diameter is equal to 116. Find its radius. So pi d plus d. So let us take d common. So you have pi plus 1 is equal to 116. So we have d, let us write the value of pi as 22 by 7 plus 1 is equal to 116. So take LCM, 22 plus 7. 7 can be written as 7 by 7. So you get D, and 22 plus 7 is 29 upon 7 is equal to 116. So D diameter is equal to 116 into 7 divided by 29. So 9 fours are 36. So let us try 29 times 4. What you get? 9 fours are 36. 3, 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11. So you get 29 fours are 116, and 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 centimeter is the diameter. So you get radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So it is 28 divided by 2, which is 14 centimeter is the radius of this given circle. Question number 4. The radii of two circles are 25 and 18. Find the radius of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. So radii of two circles. So let us take R1 is equal to 25 centimeter and R2 is equal to 18 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. So there is another circle. There are three circles we can say. So find the radius of a circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of. So we say 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 is equal to the circumference of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of, which is 2 pi r3. Okay. So sum of the circumference of two circles. So we need to find the radius of the third circle. We need to find the radius of the third circle. Is this clear now? So 2 pi r3, let us take 2 pi common. So we have r1 plus r2 is equal to 2 pi r3. So this 2 pi will get cancelled. So you get r3 is equal to r1 plus r2. So which is 25 plus 18, 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1. We get 43 centimeter is the radius of the third circle. We have R1 is equal to 48 centimeter and we have R2 is equal to 13 centimeter. Find the area of the circle which has its circumference equal to the difference of the circumference of two circles. That means we will first find R3 and then we will find the area of the third circle. We'll have to find the area of the third circle where we are using the radius as R3. So we are given the difference of the circumference of two circles. So we have 2 pi r3 is equal to 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2. Okay. So let us take 2 pi r3 be here. 2 pi taken common. We have r1 minus r2. So 2 pi gets cancelled. We get r3 is equal to 48 minus 13. 8 minus 3, 5. 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. 35 centimeter is the area of the third circle. Now you are asked to find the area of the third circle. So we have area of the third circle is equal to pi r3 square, which is 22 by 7 into 35 into 35. 7 5s are 35. So let us simplify this. 22 times 5, you get this as 2 times 5 is 110 and 110 multiplied by 35, you get this as 3850 square centimeter is the area of the third circle where according to the given condition. That is that you were given the difference in the circumference is equal to circumference of the third circle. Moving to question number 6. The diameters of two circles are 32 centimeter and 24 centimeter. So D1 is equal to 32 centimeter and D2 is equal to 24 centimeter. So note down the things given first of all, and then you get find the radius of the circle having its area equal to the sum of the areas of two given circles. So sum of the areas of two given circles. So we have let us write R1 is equal to 32 divided by 2, which is 16 centimeter, and R2 is equal to 24 divided by 2, which is 12 centimeter. And then they say that find the radius of the circle having its area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So we want to find R3. According to the condition we are given that the radius of the circle having its area equal to the sum of. So we have pi r3 square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. So sum of the area is equal to area of the third. So let us take pi common. We have r3 square here. Pi taking common. We have r1 square plus. So this pi gets cancelled. We have r3 square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. R1 is 16. So 16 square plus R2 is 12 square. So 16 square is 256 and 12 square is 144. So which is 400. So we have R3 square is equal to 400. So R3 is equal to square root of 400, which is 20 centimeter is the radius of the third circle. Got it? Find the radius of the circle. It is 20 centimeters. Of the circle is given to you as 5 meters. So let us take R1 is equal to 5 meter. Find the circumference of the circle whose area is 49. So we have area of this given circle is equal to pi r square, which is pi into 5 square. 5 square is 25. So this is 25 pi. And the area of the new circle is 49 times. So area of new circle is 49 times the area. So 49 into 25 pi. Now area of the new circle, let us take the radius as R2. So we have pi R2 square is equal to 49 times 25 pi. This pi will get cancelled. R2 square is 49 into 25. So R2 is equal to square root of 49, which is 7, and square root of 25, which is 5. That is 35 centimeter. 35 meter is the radius of the new circle. Then you are asked to find the circumference of this. So circumference of this new circle, is equal to 2 pi r2, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into 35. 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10. 10 times 22 is 220 meters is the circumference of the new circle. A circle of largest area is cut from the rectangular piece of cardboard. So you have a rectangular piece of cardboard which has dimensions 55 centimeter and 42 centimeter, and there is a circular piece cut. So the diameter of this circle is going to be 42 centimeter. So the radius of this circle is going to be 21. Find the ratio between the area of the circle cut and the area of the remaining cardboard. So let us find the area of circle. So we have area of circle is equal to pi r square. So pi into radius is 21. So pi r square, so which is 22 by 7. Radius is 42 divided by 2. So which is 21 into 21. 7 3s are 21. 22 times 3 is 66. And 66 times 21, you get this as 1386. 1386 centimeters square is the area of the circle. Now let us find the area of cardboard. So area of cardboard is equal to length into breadth. So it is 55 times 42. So we have 55 times 42, which we get 2310 centimeters square. So you are asked to find the ratio of the area of the circle cut. So the required ratio is the area of the circle cut, which is 1386 upon the area of the remaining cardboard. So area of the remaining cardboard is going to be area of the entire cardboard minus area of the circle which is cut. That is 1386. So it is 2310 minus 1386. We get 924. It is 1386 upon 924. So it is 924 and 86. Let us try dividing this by, is it divisible by 6? Yes, it is divisible by 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 8, 18, and 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. So if the number is divisible by 3 and 2 both, it is divisible by 6. So dividing by 6, it becomes easy. Try to divide by the bigger number. So you divide 924 by 6, you get 154. You get this as 154. And 1386, when you divide by 6, you get 231. Okay, so 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 1, 231. Now, look at the divisibility rules. 2, 3, 1. Difference of the digits, alternate digits is 0. So this is divisible by 11. So divide 154 by 11. 11 1s are 11, 4 4. 11 4s are 44. So 14. Dividing 2, 3, 1 by 11. 11 2s are 22. Remainder is 1, and we get 21. for 21 and 14 are divisible by 7. 7 twos are 14 and 7 threes are 21. So we got this as 3:2 is the required ratio. So the ratio of the between the area of the circle cut and the area of remaining cardboard is 3:2. Got it? Moving to question number 9. The following figure shows the square cardboard ABCD of the side 28 centimeters. So the side of this square cardboard is 28 centimeter. So the diameters of this circle. So half of 28 is 14. So this diameter is 14. So this is how the radius of each of this circle you get as 7. Then you are 4 identical circles of large possible size are cut from the card. Find the area of the remaining cardboard. So we have area of remaining cardboard. Area of remaining cardboard is equal to area of square minus area of 4 circles. So area of square, it is 28 times 28 side square, and area of 4 circles is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7. So pi r square, it is 7 times 7, and there are 4 such circles. So 7 and 7 got cancelled. 7 fours are 28. So we have 28 times 28 minus 22 times 28. So 28 can be taken common. This calculation becomes easy. So we have 28 minus 22. So which is 28 is taken common from here. So we have 28 times 28 minus 22 is 6. So this becomes easy now. Calculate 28 times 6. So you get 168 centimeter square is the area of the remaining cardboard. The radii of 2 circles are in the ratio 3:8. The radii of 2 circles are in the ratio 3:8. So let us take R1 is equal to 3x and R2 is equal to 8x. So if the difference between their areas, so of course this circle second one is going to be bigger, is given as 2695 centimeter square. So we have pi R2 square minus pi R1 square is equal to 2695 pi. So let us take pi common. We have R2 square minus R1 square is equal to 2695 pi. This pi gets cancelled. R2 is 8x. So we have 8x the whole square minus 3x the whole square is equal to 2695. 64x square minus 3x square is 9x square is equal to 2695. 2695. So 64 minus 9 is 55x square is equal to 2695. So we have x square is equal to 2695 divided by 55. So these are divisible by 11. 2 plus 9, 11. 6 plus 5, 11. So dividing by 11, we have 11 5s are 11 2s are 22, 4, 9, 11 4s are 44, 49 minus 44 is 5, and 11 5s are, and 245. Again 5 4s are 20, 4, 5, 5 9s are 45. So we get 49 is the x square. So we get x square is equal to root 49, which is 7. So if x is 7, you are asked to find the area of the smaller circle. So we have R1 is equal to 3 into 7, which is 21 centimeter. So area of smaller circle is equal to pi r square, that is 22 by 7 is pi, and r1 r square is 21 into 21. 7 3s are 22 times 3 is 66, and 66 times 21 you get 1386 centimeter square is the area of the smaller circle. Got it? So let you have d1 is equal to 3x, d2 is equal to 5x, and d3 is equal to 6x. These are the diameters, and sum of the circumferences of the circle is given 308. So sum of the circumference, that is pi d1 plus pi d2 plus pi d3 is given as 308. So let us take pi common, add the diameters. So we have 3x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 308. So pi is 22 by 7. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 6, 14x is equal to 308. 7 2s are 14. So you get x is equal to 308 upon 22 times 2. 300 divided by 2 is 154. 22 sevens are 154. So we have x is equal to 7. Now we have need to find the difference between the area of the largest and the smallest circle. So we have R1 is equal to 3x divided by 2. That is 3 times 7 divided by 2. So which we get it as 3 sevens are 21. 21 divided by 2, we get 10.5 centimeter. And we have R2 is equal to 6x divided by diameter divided by 2. So 6 times 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. So we get 7 3s are 21 centimeter. Now we are asked to find the difference between the areas of the largest and the smallest. So area of largest circle minus area of smallest circle of the smallest circle. Let us find out which is equal to area of the largest circle is pi r1 square. So that is 22 by 7 and the largest circle. So we will take this 21. So 21 times 21, this is the area of the largest one. Minus the area of the smallest circle is again pi 22 by 7 and the radius is 10.5. So 10.5 times 10.5. So we have here 7 3s are 21 and already a lot of times we have calculated 22 times 3 is 66 and 66 times 21 we got 1386 is the area of the largest one. 105 10.5 when I divide by 7, so we get 7 1s are 7 3 5, so 1.5. So let us multiply this 22 times 1.5 times 10.5. Multiplication is always easier than division. So 22 times 1.5 times 10.5, which we get it as 346.5. So 1386 minus 346.5, which we get it as 1039.5 square centimeter is the difference between the area of the largest circle and the smallest circle. Got it? Question number 21. Find the area of the ring-shaped region enclosed between two concentric circles of radii 20 centimeter and 15. So concentric circles are the circles having the same center but different radii. So these are the concentric circles with the center O, where you are given the ring-shaped region. Find the area of the ring-shaped region. So we need to find the area of this portion. Okay, enclosed between two concentric circles of radii 20. So a larger circle, the radius is 20, and the smaller circle it is 15 centimeter. So the area of the ring, you have area of ring is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So which is pi r1. Let us take this as r1. Let us take this as r2. Pi r1 square minus pi r2 square, which is 22 by 7 into r1 is 20 square into 20 minus r2 is 22 by 7 into r2 is 15 times 15. So let us take 22 by 7 common. We have 20 square is 400 minus 15 square is 225. So let us do 400 minus 225. So we have 400 minus 225, which we get as 175. 22 by 7 into 175. So 175, when I divide by 7, we get 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 5, 7 5s are 35. So 22 times 35, we get 550 square centimeter area of the ring shaped region, which is enclosed between two concentric circles. Got it? Question. The last question of today's video, the circumference of a given circular park. So we have a circular park here and the circumference is 55 meter. It is surrounded by a path. So it is surrounded by a path of uniform width. So this width is given as 3.5 meters. The width of this is given as 3.5 meters. Find the area of the path. So area of the path is going to be area of the outer circle minus inner circle. So for that, we need to find the radius of both circles. So let us first find the radius of the circular path. So R1. So R1 is equal to, if I have to find, so 2 pi R1 is equal to 55. So you get 2 into 22 by 7 into R1 is equal to 55. So you get R1 is equal to 55 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So 11 twos are and 11 fives are, 7 fives are, 35 by 4 centimeter is the radius of the inner circle. So this is 35 by 4. Now to find the radius of the outer circle, so R2 is going to be 35 by 4 plus 3.5, the width which is 3.5. Now let us take the LCM. 4 times 3.5 is 14. So we have 35 plus 14 upon 4, which is 49 upon 4 centimeter. 49.4, sorry, meter is the radius of the outer circle. So we have to find the area of path. So we have area of path. Area of path is equal to area of outer circle, that is pi R2 square minus pi R1 square, the inner circle. So which is pi, let us take common, so which is 22 by 7. And R2 is 49 by 4. So 49 by 4, so let us multiply this 49 by 4 into 49 by 4 minus R1 is 35 by 4. So 35 by 4 into 35 by 4. So wherein we get this as 22 by 7, 4 by 4 square is 16. So let us take this 16. 1 upon 16, we will take common 1 upon 16. In the bracket, we are left with 49 square minus 35 square. We will use the identity over here. Let us simplify this outside. We have 2 8s and 2 11s. So we have now 11 upon 7 into 1 by 8. A square minus b square is a plus b. That is 49 plus 5 into, 49 plus 35 into 49 minus 35. So which we get as 11 upon 7 times 8, 49 plus 35, 5 plus 9, 14, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8. So it is 84 into 49 minus 35. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1, 14. So now let us simplify this. So 84 and this thing can be divisible by 4. So we have 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. 21 we got. 2 7s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So we'll have 11 3s are 33. And 33 times 7. Let us do 33 times 7, which we get it as 231 square meter is the area of the path. So we did with the 13th question. Remaining questions we'll be doing in the next video, children. If you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.